today my topic is in polynomial 10th class SSC textbook introduction part. I want to explain you. Okay, so first of all, what is the definition of polynomial? Definition of polynomial is an algebraic expression involving non-negative integral power in variable x. So then it is called a polynomial. So simply here non-negative integral powers are also called as, simply we called as a whole numbers. Okay, so for example, p of x is denoted by the polynomial. Suppose here x square minus 5x plus 6. Once you observe this polynomial, it is a constant, means here x power of 0 will be there. X power of 0 value will become 1 only, no? So x power of 0, x power of 1, x power of 2. So these all are called as non-negative integers. Powers are non-negative integers, and as well as these are called as whole numbers only. So that's why simply an algebraic expression is involving non-negative integral powers, or we called as whole number in the variable x, then it is called a polynomial. So in which cases are not a polynomial, so I want to explain you. So this is called as polynomial, and p of x is equals to x square minus 5 into x power of minus 1 plus 6. But here negative integer will be there, means it is not a polynomial. So in variable any powers like non-negative integers will be there, means it is not a polynomial. So similarly here p of x is equals to x square minus 5 by x plus 6. But in the denominator variable will be there, means if you are taken as numerator you will get x power of minus 1. So that's why this case is also not a polynomial. So similarly p of x is equals to x square minus 5 into root x plus 6. Once you observe this, root x means it is nothing but x power of 1 by 2. So x power of rational number powers will be there, means then it is also called a not a polynomial. Only this case is a polynomial as per definition of polynomial. Okay, so here it is an algebraic expression involving non-negative integral power of variable x. So then it is called a polynomial. So this is about definition of a polynomial. So next I want to explain what is the degree of the polynomial. So next what is meant by degree of a polynomial means, what is the degree of a polynomial means, in a given polynomial which is highest power is called degree of polynomial. It's called degree of polynomial. For example, previous example only, if it is x square minus 6x plus 5. So this example you consider here, it is degree is x power of 0, it is x power of n, it is x power of 2. Which is the highest power? 2 means then the degree of the polynomial is 2. So which is the highest power of the polynomial is called as degree of the polynomial. So this is about degree. So next I want to explain what is the general form of a what is the general form of a polynomial. I want to explain you. See here, general form, for example, here p of x is a polynomial equals to an x power of n plus an minus 1 x power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power of n minus 2 plus and so on, plus finally a1. Okay, so a1 means here a naught you taken as finally in the last is a naught. Okay, so an x power of n plus an minus 1 x power of n 1 so on is nothing but then a naught. So now here where a naught, a1, a2 and so on, a power of n are called as real coefficients, and here degree is n. It is nothing but nth degree polynomial. Why? Because it is the highest power is n, so that's why it is called as nth degree polynomial. So the next, as per the definition, it is an algebraic expression involving whole numbers, powers are whole numbers, and variable x, and that these are called as coefficients, that are called as real coefficients involving that real numbers, and degrees, it is nth degree polynomial, it is nth degree polynomial. Okay, this is multinomial. So here every algebraic expression is called as a multinomial, but all the multinomials are need not be a polynomial. But here one condition is very, very important. All polynomials are multinomials, but all multinomials are need not be a polynomial. Need not be a polynomial. So here all polynomials are called as multinomials, and but all multinomials are need not be a polynomials as per the above example. This is called as a multinomial. Why? Because it is the negative power. So it is a multinomial, but it is not a polynomial. But it is a polynomial, then it is called a multinomial. Why? Because it is called as an algebraic expression, so that's why it is called as a multinomial. So means all polynomials are multinomials, but all multinomials are need not be a. So the next, what is zero polynomial? So what zero polynomial means? Suppose if p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and a comma b comma c r belongs to complex numbers, and leading term a is not equals to 0. So this is the, and as per the definition of a polynomial. So zero polynomial means if it is a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 0, means all the coefficients must be 0. So then it is called a zero polynomial. Okay. So the next, what is a zero of a polynomial? What is zero of a polynomial? So zero of a polynomial is nothing but, suppose if it is p of x is equals to, I am taking ax plus b, this is also one of the polynomial. So now here, if it is here p of x is equals to 0, so then ax plus b is equals to 0. That implies ax is equals to minus b. That implies x is equals to minus b by a. So means here substitute here p of minus b by a is equals to ax plus b. So then this x equal to minus b by a is called as zero of a given polynomial. Means simply in that given polynomial x equal to, substitute what value, you will get 0. So x equal to substitute minus b by only, I will get in this total polynomial will become 0. That's why x equal to minus b by a is called as the 0 of a polynomial. Okay, suppose here one more example, x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. What are the factors here? Minus 2x square factors are, okay, so now here substitute here minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to x minus 2 plus 1 is common, x minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0, here x equal to minus 1 comma 2, no. So these are called as zeros of the given polynomial. Suppose here x equal to substitute minus 1, you will get 0. X equal to substitute 2, again you will get 0. So that's why minus 1 comma 2 are called as 0 of a polynomial. So what is 0 polynomial means all the coefficients must be 0, then the whole polynomial will become this is 0. So that's why this is about definition of 0 polynomial and 0 of a polynomial. Okay. So next I want to explain what are the types of a polynomial. Okay. So first one is types of a polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means a polynomial which is having degree is 1. So then it is called a 0 polynomial. Suppose for example linear polynomial p of x is equals to 2x plus 3. So here degree is having 1, so that's why it is called a 0 polynomial. So then next what is the general form? General form of a 0 polynomial is, suppose here p of x is equals to ax plus b, where a comma b are belongs to complex numbers and leading term is a is not equal to 0. Here degree is having 1, no, so that's why this is the example for general form of a linear polynomial. Okay, next I am going to explain what is the quadratic polynomial. Which is a polynomial which is having degree 2. Degree is 2. So then that is called as a quadratic polynomial. So now for example, p of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So it is called a polynomial which is having degree 2. So that's why this is the example for quadratic polynomial. So then next what is the general form? General form is nothing but p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c are belongs to complex numbers and leading term a is not equals to 0, and this is a polynomial degree is having 2, so that's why it is called as a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so next I am going to explain cubic polynomial means a polynomial which is having degree is having 3. So then it is called a cubic polynomial. For example, p of x is equals to x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 7. So it is called a degree is having 3 means it is called as a cubic polynomial example. Then what is the general form? I want to explain you. So general form of a polynomial is, what is the general form means here p of x is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a comma b comma c comma d are belongs to complex numbers and the leading coefficient is a is not is equals to 0. A, B, C, D are belongs to complex numbers and that leading term is not equal to 0, then it is called a cubic polynomial. So today's my class students, actually that polynomials introduction and what are the types of a polynomial, and what is the general form of a polynomial I explained. In the next video, but graphs of polynomials I need to explain. What is the limitations of graphs I want to explain you. So until, keep watching my channel. I wish you all the best.